Who is the true father of a child born out of wedlock in Igbo tradition? This is a subject that has sparked a lot of debate for generations. And a lot of Igbo communities have different practices to this. In Igbo culture, the paternity of a child is not just a matter of biology, but also a matter of lineage, inheritance, and social standing. So what happens when a child is born outside marriage? Who claims the child? How do social expectations shape the fate of children born in this situation? To understand the dynamics of paternity in Igbo land, we must first acknowledge the importance of Umunna, that is, the extended family. Traditionally, a child belongs to the lineage of the father. This is why when a woman marries, children are recognized as belonging to the husband's lineage. But when a woman gives birth out of the marriage, things become a little bit complicated. By Igbo custom, a child born out of wedlock often remains under the mother's family, especially if the family does not formally accept responsibility. This is because in Igbo tradition, the inna, that is, the child is traced toward the lineage of the father. However, there are variations to this practice. In some Igbo communities, if a woman remains unmarried and bears a child, her father or brothers may assume responsibility for the child, providing a form of security within the matrilineal lineage. Yet, this arrangement does not provide same rights and status as a child recognized by father's lineage. Now, if a woman later gets married to another man, there is often expectation that her husband may claim the child as his own, depending on his willingness to do so. In some cases, the biological father may step forward to acknowledge the child, but this recognition does not automatically grant the child full rights within the father's lineage unless traditional rites are performed. Now, let's talk about the impact of these cultural expectations. In many Igbo communities, children born out of wedlock sometimes face discrimination, especially when it comes to inheritance and family identity. Without the father's name or a formal acceptance, they may struggle within the society. However, times are changing, and with modernization and some personal choices playing a big role, many people now challenge these traditional norms within the Igbo practices. In fact, under Nigerian law, every child, whether born in and out of wedlock, has the right to their father's inheritance, provided paternity is established. That is, according to Nigerian Constitution. Yet, in some rural Igbo communities and some customary laws still hold strong. This creates a clash between modern legal frameworks and long-standing traditions. Some legal cases have challenged this imbalance. Despite such legal precedents, many traditionalists argue that culture should not be dictated by legal reforms alone, but by communal consensus and acceptance. So, what do we do with this reality? Should customs evolve to be more inclusive, or should traditions remain unchanged?